Navigation tutorials. In these short videos, we're going to teach you how you can navigate our website with the least amount of hassle, hopefully. Buy a new kitchen or buy new wardrobes or buy replacement kitchen doors or flat pack kitchen cabinets as simply and as easy as possible here online. Pop them into your shopping cart, check out, and then off you go, and we'll do the rest. We'll get them all into the van and get them delivered to you. So without further ado, I'm just going to go through the main menu here in this first tutorial. So here we have the home page, and this is the button for the home page here. So I'm not going to click that because we're already on the home page. The next button is for the kitchen ranges. This is the amount of different styles of kitchens that we have. So we have the button here at the top, and then when we click on the button, we get a drop down menu with a selection of different ranges, and then there'll be a sub menu to each range showing you how many kitchens are available and different styles of kitchens are available in each of those ranges, okay? So we'll talk about this more in the next video because there's a lot more detail in here, and this is where you could be buying most of the products that you want for your new fitted kitchen. So we'll move on for the moment and we'll go to our flat pack kitchen units. Again, this is a button that you click on. There's no drop down menu, as you can see when I mouse over it. So this is where you can buy flat pack kitchen cabinets only. Nothing else, you just get the cabinet when you put it into the shopping cart. Okay, so moving on from there, we have a section for replacement kitchen doors. And just like our friend over here, Kitchen Ranges, there's a lot of different styles of kitchen doors and different qualities of kitchen doors. So the same as the kitchen range, the menu button at the top opens a smaller menu below, and associated with each of those menus are the different names and different styles of kitchen doors. We look at that in another video down the line, again, a little bit more detail. So after that, then you have accessories, which are any type of accessories that you want for your kitchen cabinets, maybe sinks, taps, worktops, extractor fans, door handles, waste bins, drawer options, kitchen storage. So it's all in there. It's just a matter of just navigating your way around it, and with these short videos we'd hope to help you with that. The information button then gives you different details, terms and conditions, privacy policies, how-to videos. You found these because you're here now looking at this video. Complete kitchen solutions. We try to give you some helpful hints and tips on how to go about your kitchen project. So next to that then we have the blog, which we'll always be writing articles and adding information, useful information there for people to find and navigate to and try and help them with their kitchen project. Search button will help you search for products on the website, and then the checkout is somewhere where you go as you are putting stuff into your shopping cart. This amount here will change, and you'll be able to keep an eye up there in the right hand corner of the screen, be able to keep an eye on how much you're spending, etc, etc. Okay, so that's the main menu in this short video. So I'm not going to waste any more time on this one. I'm just going to say thanks for watching. Look for our next video, which will be about the kitchen ranges, this guy over here, so you can see what's available here for you to buy. If you like the video and you like the website, why not click on the share button here that you might be able to share with your friends or people that you know who might be interested in this website as well. So without further ado, onwards and upwards to the next